A very good morning, good afternoon, good night, whenever you will watch this video. So from tomorrow onwards, we are starting a new chapter in your English subject, which is writing practice. So in this chapter, comprehensions are there, paragraphs are there, later writings are there. So in this video, we will take one topic of this last chapter, which is comprehension. So I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. So without wasting much time, let us start this video. So in this video, we will discuss about comprehension meaning, which are the rules for the comprehensions. Then we will take the one example, we will read certain paragraph, and in this paragraph certain questions are there to which we will provide the answers. Also we will decide the title of the paragraph. So comprehension means what? Basically comprehension is nothing but in your exam one paragraph or one passage or one short document is given to you. In that document certain questions are asked. So you have to read the document properly or passage or paragraph properly, and you should write the answer in brief. And then you have to give the title to that document. So that is the meaning of comprehension. Now we will discuss about certain rules for the comprehension. So first rule is that read the passage quickly and note down the main points. This process is known as skimming. So initially what you should do, whatever document is there, that you have to read down quickly so that you can save your time in the exam, and whatever points are there that you should note down, and that process is known as skimming. Next rule is what? After reading the passage, read questions and understand their meaning. So once you have read about the passage, the next is what? That you have to understand the meaning of the questions. Next is, now again read the passage very carefully and find out the relevant portions of the passage where you can get the answer of the question. This process is known as scanning. So in skimming, what you are doing? Quickly you are reading the passage and note down the important points. And in the scanning process, what you are doing? Again you are reading the document, that passage or paragraph very carefully, and you are deciding the portion, that in this portion that answer I can find, in that portion another answer I can find. So that process is known as scanning. Next is, now write down the answer in your own words. So you can use your own words to write your answer. Next rule is, try to give answer in brief. As I told you, in 1 to 2 lines you have to provide your answers. Next is, use complete and simple sentences. Complete sentence means what? Meaningful sentence should be there, not partial sentence or half sentence should be. And that simple sentence means what? Which has one subject and one verb. Next rule is, to explain the meaning of any word or phrase, you can use your own words also. That certain words are there in the document. So you can use your synonym words also in your language. And last rule is, for the title of the passage, go through the passage again. Now you have to decide the title of that paragraph. So for that purpose, again you should read the paragraph and get the central idea. Central idea means what? That what that paragraph wants to say, and give it as per core idea. And finally you should decide that which one is the suitable title for this given passage. And over here note I have written that generally the answers of the questions will be in order right from the beginning to the end. So it is very easy to find out the answers of the questions. Means what? Supposing in one passage 7 questions are asked. So that 7 questions are asked based on starting to end. So that's why it will be easy for you to understand the questions of answers. So this is all about the meaning of comprehension and its rule. Now we will take one examples so that you can understand that comprehension properly. Now I am going to display one paragraph on your screen. I hope you are able to see that. So I am going to read that passage. So passage is like this, that many parents today are spending sleepless nights in the anxiety and distress over their children's behavior and their changing attitude towards them. Who is responsible for this sorry state of affairs? The children or the parents? as the children almost instantly learn to do what their parents are doing. It is initially expected of the parents to do what they wish their children to do. Once father desired his son to touch the feet of his mother every morning. The child cleverly remarked back, "But Dad, I never see you touching the feet of grandmother as you wish to do with respect to my mother." This is simple remark of child cut his father to size. The message is writ large for us. If the parents wish their children to adopt the human values and be obedient and respectful to them, the same should be conveyed to the infants, not through more words but through their daily doing and dealings. There is no better way to inspire spirituality in our children than to be the first part, particularly spiritual ourselves. So now this is the passage in which certain questions are there that we will discuss. So these are the 4 questions which are asked from this passage. So if you read that passage properly, then these 4 questions are very much easy to answer. So now we are going to read the question and we will write the answer. So first question is what? That why do many parents spend sleepless nights? Now you should write the answer from the passage, which should be brief. In your words you can use, but the sentence should be complete and simple. So answer is what? That many parents spend sleepless nights in the anxiety and distress. Many parents spend sleepless nights in the anxiety and distress over their children's behavior and their changing attitude towards them. First answer. Okay, second question. What do the children instantly learn? So answer is the children instantly learn to do what their parents are doing. As per that, children will learn. Next question. What did the father expect? So answer is what? The father expected to touch the feet of his mother in every morning. Last question. What did the son remark back? So answer is what? The son remarked back that, "But Dad, I never see you touching the feet of grandmother as you wish to do with respect to my mother." So these are the answers, and finally you have to decide the title of given passage as per the central idea. So title you can provide like this: Worries of Parents. So this is all about the completion of this comprehension. Now I would like to end this video. Once again we will meet in a new video with a new topic. So till then, read hard, work hard. Thank you very much.